Good day, Mom. I am Giselle Pastrano, and together with my group mates, Liza Magallanes and Rachel Duba, we are going to present our product, Crunchy Banana. Our tagline is Crunch, your cravings love every bite. Crunchy Banana is a homemade banana chips product that is affordable, crispy, and delicious. So let's start with our product and our marketing plan. For our first part, let's talk about our product. What are we offering to our customers? We are offering Crunchy Banana, our homemade banana chips. Our product focuses on being affordable, crispy, and delicious. It is, it is a simple snack that customers can enjoy whenever they want something crunchy and tasty. Our crunchy banana is priced at 20 pesos per pack, making it affordable for our customers. Next is our target market. Our target market refers to our main customers or the people we want to reach with our product. For crunchy banana, we want to attract customers who are looking for an affordable, crispy, and delicious snacks. And since our product is affordable, it can be a good choice for people who want a simple snack without spending too much. Now, let's proceed to our marketing goals. Our marketing goals are what we want to achieve for Crunchy Banana. First, we want to make more people aware of our product. Second, we want to attract more customers and increase our sales. And third, we want to encourage customers to enjoy our product and come back to buy again. These goals will help us introduce Crunchy Banana to more customers and help our product grow. And next are our market approaches. This and next are our market approaches. These are the strategies that we'll use to reach our marketing goals. First, we can use social media promotions to introduce Crunchana to more people. And second, we can use poster and flyers to make our product more visible to potential customers. And third, we can offer promos or discounts to encourage people to try our product. And fourth, we can use of mouth promotion where satisfied customer can recommend crunchy banana to their friends and family. And fifth, we can use attractive packaging to make our product more appealing to customers. By using these approaches together, we can reach more people and encourage them to try crunchy banana. This page shows our promotional poster. Our poster communicates important information about our product, including the product, price, promo, and brand. It helps customers easily recognize Crunchy Banana and understand that what we are offering. Our promotional poster can also help catch the attention of potential customer and encourage them to try our product. And now, let's discuss why our campaign can success. Our marketing our marketing strategies work together to attract and keep customers price by promoting our product, showing our price and promo and making our product easy to recognize. We can encourage more people to try crunchy banana. If customers enjoy our homemade banana chips, they may also continue buying our product and recommend it to others. That is why we believe our marketing approaches can help Crunchy Banana become more successful. And that concludes our presentations about Crunchy Banana. Once again, our product is homemade banana chips, priced at 20 pesos per pack. And remember our tagline, crunch your cravings, love every bite. Thank you for watching and listening.